This kid saved this dog's life. This kid was waiting for the elevator, and once it opened, he goes inside thinking nothing of the situation. But what he didn't know is that a dog followed him, and completely unaware of what was about to happen next. As he presses his floor number, the boy stares at himself in the mirror, completely clueless about the dog who followed him in. Once the elevator closes, the dog screeches for help, and the boy did not hesitate. As the elevator drags the dog, the boy acts fast and decides to grab the leash. As the elevator drags them both up, the boy quickly unhooks the leash and saves the dog's life. If it wasn't for this brave boy taking action, this dog would have been gone.